Hey friends, on this episode, we're pouring the concrete slab. I'm going to share with you today the actual footage showing the process it took us to get that ultra smooth floor that I was looking for. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe as I'm building an exact playlist of the step-by-step process it has taken me to get to this step and to complete the whole building and move in all the good stuff, which is the equipment and tools. So, if you guys like this, please leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, I'll get back to you very shortly with an answer. Well, enough of me talking, let's get into it. Well guys, here is the final result. Looking like a piece of ice right now. Kind of like an ice rink. Very happy with the results. As you can see the cut-in lines that the guys made, so it doesn't crack. A shadow, straight as an arrow. The floor is ready for me to walk on, so I am already on it. But yeah, no, I'm very happy overall. You can see they filled in around the bolts as well to make sure that's level when I start putting up all the piers. And yeah, that's it guys. This concludes all the concrete work, so I'm pretty excited about that. But overall, very happy with the project. Give it a couple days and then I can drive on it hopefully and start actually putting the building up. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was sure fun to shoot, a lot of good footage, as you probably saw here. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. You can see the rest of this build and you know, whatever other content I create here in the future in this speed den. Subscribe to my channel, Howie Coro. Also on Instagram, you can see the latest and greatest of where I'm at with this project, because of course this video making is a little behind, but you can follow me up to date on my Instagram channel, Howie Coro, as well. Thanks guys, thanks for joining, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Hope you all enjoyed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got something from it. To give you a little dialogue, this is a 6-inch concrete floor. In the future, I plan on mounting a car lift and some heavy equipment to the floor, and I want to make sure there's no issues with that. Also, you saw I cut relief lines in the floor because I want to prevent any cracking that can happen in the future. So that wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said before, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, and I'll get back to you very shortly. Now, make sure you hit the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get notified when I post the next video in this series. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.